Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue working on comparing things. Now, in math this week, you've been working really hard to compare different properties of things, different colors, different weights, different sizes. So you already know a lot about comparing. So in this story, we're going to compare two real animals, puffins and penguins. Boys and girls, look at these photographs. Do you think this book is going to be real nonfiction or fake fiction? I hope you said real nonfiction. This is going to be a true book. So remember, when we listen to and read true stories, we want to think about new information that we are learning because the author's purpose is to teach us. Chapter 1, Birds of the Coast. A bird dives into the sea. It uses its wings to swim. Sunlight flashes over its black and white feathers. The bird dives deeper. It grabs a fish in its mouth. Then it rises to the surface. Is it a puffin or a penguin? How are they different? Look, we've got one of those captions up here. It says penguins are black and white seabirds. And now this caption says puffins get their name from their puffy looking bodies. Puffins are small birds. There are 4 kinds of puffins. The largest weigh less than 2 pounds. They are 14 inches tall. Puffins have black and white feathers. Most have white faces. The birds have big, brightly colored beaks. Puffins live in the northern hemisphere. Many live in Iceland. Puffins build nests on sea cliffs. They dig burrows between rocks. This keeps them safe from predators. Boys and girls, we have family that lives in Newfoundland, and we see lots of puffins when we're out in their longliner boats because they're fishermen. And we see all sorts of these birds, puffins, all around when we're out on the open water. That's a connection I can make. Puffins are great flyers. They can fly at 55 miles per hour. Whoa, that's fast. Puffins can swim too. They dive into the water. They can stay underwater for about 30 seconds. Puffins have spikes in their mouths. This helps them grab fish. They can carry many fish at once. Look at that picture of this puffin carrying so many fish. And the caption says, puffins can carry many fish in their beaks. Wow, that's interesting. That's new information that I'm learning. What new information are you learning? Chapter 3, Penguins. There are 17 kinds of penguins. The biggest ones weigh 90 pounds. They stand almost 4 feet tall. Boys and girls, that's about maybe a little bit bigger than some of you. Penguins have white bellies. Their backs are black. Most also have black faces. Some have orange or yellow markings too. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere. Some live in Antarctica. Others live in South America and Africa. And look at this caption. It says, penguins slide on their bellies to cross snow and ice. This is faster than walking. They love to go belly sliding. That's pretty fun. Penguins cannot fly. They are too heavy. However, their wings work great for swimming. The wings act like flippers. They let penguins zoom through the water. Penguins can swim at 20 miles per hour. Which one was really great at swimming? Penguins or puffins? Yeah, penguins are really fast swimmers. Which one was really fast at flying? Penguins or puffins? Definitely the puffins. We learned all about that, and penguins can't fly. Penguins can dive deep into the sea. They can go down 1,850 feet. They can stay underwater for 20 minutes. They hunt fish in the sea. And it says penguins can leap out of the water to escape predators. Ooh, predators. That's a big fancy word that means something that wants to eat him. Chapter 4, what's the difference? Puffins and penguins have many differences. One difference is size. Puffins are much smaller. The biggest puffins are smaller than the smallest penguins. All right, so that's one difference when we compare these two different birds. One difference is that puffins are smaller. Another difference is flight. Puffins are great flyers. Puffins can fly fast. Penguins are too heavy to fly. But penguins are better swimmers. Both puffins and penguins are amazing birds of the coast. And look at this caption. It says, puffins are sometimes called sea clowns because of their brightly colored beaks. Boys and girls, I want you to tell your learning coach something that is the same with penguins and puffins and something that is different. This helps us to compare. You can use these diagrams even to learn more about puffins and penguins. Feel free to pause the video and have your learning coach point to each label and show you more to learn about penguins and puffins. Hope you enjoyed our lesson today.